how to characterize the reservoir. So here you see spot fire. On the left-hand side is a deep learning self-organizing map. As I highlight a region on the left, we can see it highlight structure in the rock, which is the geology representation on the right. So I make a little click in the geology of a structure that I'm interested in. I expand that view in terms of the dimensions of the neural network and the hidden layers, and I elucidate structure in the rock. That's the first part of analyzing seismic data and characterizing the reservoir. The second part is to look at where you've already drilled and understand what sort of trajectories and drainage you've been able to achieve, looking at the data in Spotfire on the well paths, as well as well data viewable on satellite imagery across the well pads. And then you want to add a halo to represent the drainage that you've been able to achieve from the wells that you've drilled. And that this what if scenario allows you to change the size of the halo and understand where it is that where you've drained and the well spacing attributes therein. And then you want to overlay on top of that petrophysical data that represent, for example, the total organic carbon in the rock, the hydrocarbon potential of the reservoir. So you see the bottom left-hand corner is that orange region that is the high point on the three-dimensional plot, showing a region of high potential hydrocarbon. Now, if you then highlight those regions of high potential total organic carbon, you now see that lower left-hand corner of the spatial layout of the geo location, where there's some orange there that looks like could be candidates for additional drilling and completions.
Well, thank you, Michael, for that phenomenal review. Now, just FYI, behind the scenes, this kind of dashboards, you will have the possibility to connect this data, and you will have the possibility to transform this data within Spotfire with the amazing amount of tools for data wrangling, data transformation, and all kinds of data cleansing capabilities that Spotfire brings into the table. In addition to that, you can use the embedded machine learning capabilities as well that are going to allow you to create machine learning algorithms with one click of the mouse, as you can see here. Or it also allows you the possibility to consume your own script. So if you already have a model and an algorithm that you have been working on, and you have an R script or a Python script or some other programming languages here, you can use this user interface, which is called a data function within Spotfire, that is going to allow you to run your script and connect your variables to that column within that data table that is now available in your dashboard. Now, in addition to that, just keep in mind that we have an amazing amount of capabilities regarding geoanalytics. So just keep scrolling down in this page and double check the link to the geoanalytics resources, because we have a lot of examples right there that are going to allow you to create these kind of dashboards, maximizing the interactivity between what you can do from the mapping and geoanalytics capabilities with all the data science extension of the platform itself, with the possibility to run what if scenarios and changing all those parameters for calculation. Thanks.